The given question is iron exhibit BCC structure at room temperature. Above 900 degrees Celsius, it transforms to FCC structure. The ratio of density of iron at room temperature to that at 900 degrees Celsius. Assuming molar mass and atomic radii of iron remain constant with temperature is. This slide contains the solution. As we know, density is given by Z into M by AQ and naught. For BCC unit cell, the number of atoms per unit cell, that is Z equal to 2, and the edge length is equal to 4 by root 3R. For FCC, Z equal to 4 and edge length is equal to 4 by under root 2R. So we are calculating density for BCC unit cell, which comes out to be this equation 1, and for FCC unit cell by taking Z to be 4 and this edge length A to be 4 by root 2R, we are getting D to be like this equation 2. So when we divide equation 1 with equation 2, we will get the answer to be 3 root 3 by 4 root 2. So answer is option 1.